Howdy everyone, this is Asta Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops, and thank you Riddhi for requesting this amazing song. I mean, learn this song and sing it for your partners, for your loved ones. I personally sang it for my loved one, my little brother, because this song really reminded me of him. A little bit of meanness but a lot of love. I mean, back in days we would fight just like those WWE wrestlers and it was fun. I mean, I miss those days, I really do. So here is this song. My dil goes and these are the chords. This is the strumming pattern. If you already know how to do it, then just skip, otherwise here we go.
1, 2, 3.
If you see, I'm using capo on the second fret, 1, 2. Okay, when you use capo, your pitch goes a bit higher. Somehow this song is just not resonating without a capo, especially to me. If it is working for you, then well enough, but it's just not working otherwise for me. I'm putting it on the second fret. Agar aapke paas capo nahi hai, you can make your own jugaad capo. I'll link the video for you. You guys can watch it if you want to, but it's always better to have one. Okay, so here we go with the chords. The first chord we have here is A minor. A minor is second fret, fourth string, A minor. A minor के बाद थोड़ा सा हम F भी यूज़ करेंगे, not too much but a little bit of F. So keep your A minor intact. अपनी index finger को first fret के second string पे लेके जाओ. This becomes F. Then we have G. G is a 3-finger chord. Your index finger is on the second fret, third string. Your middle finger is on the first string of the second fret, and your ring finger goes right in between of them but down. Okay, so it is the third fret, second string. This becomes G, and C is very easy. Just take your ring finger and put it on the first string, third fret. This is your C. So these are the only chords we're using here, the basic one. Now the strumming pattern is also very easy for this song. It is the normal, very easy khichdi strumming pattern. Bole to our island strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. I hope that you're enjoying your island strumming, and I've already told you how you can bring a change in your island strumming, because I am using that in this video. I'm using accenting, and at some point I'm using my 1 finger, and at the other point I use my 3 fingers. Okay, so I'm going to link that video here to help you understand how you can accentuate and make your island strumming a bit more spicy. Okay, now let's quickly get on to the lesson. Get your middle finger on A minor and we're ready to rock. So notes, we're going to start with A minor. आती है वो चल के ऐसे, ऐसे जैसे जो वर्ड है, ऐसे जैसे जो आ रहा है, 2 लाइन्स में आ रहा है, दोनों को दोनों टाइम में ये वाला वर्ड G पे बजेगा, and then we'll go back to A minor. So it is only A minor and G. Okay, so it will go like this. आती है वो चल के ऐसे जैसे जन्नत में रहती है, देखती है सबको ऐसे जैसे सबको सहती है. Cool. अब आगे का लाइन A minor and G again. पर गुस्से में जब G आए, okay, पर गुस्से में जब आए और आगे वो दिखलाए. Okay, easy, right? One more time, let's do these 4 lines together. आती है वो चल के ऐसे जैसे जन्नत में रहती है, देखती है सबको ऐसे जैसे सबको वो सहती है, पर गुस्से में जब आए और आंखें वो दिखलाए. Good. Now stay at G. लड़ते लड़ते at G, then F, गलती से at F, and then A minor. मुस्काए. So it will look and sound something like this. लड़ते लड़ते गलती से मुस्काए. My दिल goes C, G, A minor. My दिल goes Now let us go to the next part. हाँ वो नाना करती है. Very very easy. Now here we're gonna start with C. Okay. हाँ वो नाना at C, and then करती है is at G. Okay. हाँ वो नाना करती है. Then we'll go to A minor. हाँ बड़ा, and then G करती है. Then again to C. हाँ थोड़ी सी जिद्दी है. A minor. हाँ अकल से पिद्दी है. Okay, one more time, let's do this part together. हाँ वो नाना करती है. देती है. यहाँ पे C and notification, sorry. जाते हैं and then G. सब दाएं and then A minor. बाएं वो जाती है. ऐसे ही next line. तेरी इन बातों से मुझको सताती है. Let's do it together. जाते हैं सब दाएं बाएं वो जाती है. तेरी इन बातों से मुझको सताती है. Now A minor पे रहो. हर वक्त से पहले G. आना सुनना ना कोई बहाना. Then said G. पर देखना मेरा रास्ता रोजाना. दिल गो से दिल goes So this is how the whole song continues. It's a very, very, very easy song to play on ukulele. Very fun. Just the basic chords. Just bring some variations in your strumming, and you lift it to another level. Okay. So with that, we've come to an end to this tutorial. I will see you next time. Until then, adios, amigos and amigas.